Hi, welcome to Shaver Spares. Today's video is just a very quick video covering off some of the queries and questions we get from customers, primarily with the Braun Series 3, 5, 7 and 9. These newer models no longer take cutting blades, and one of the questions is the customer buys the new head, they receive it and they then email us to say where are the cutters. Now in the old series Brauns, you would have two cutters showing inside here, so that's an easy thing to do. Take the head off. If there's no cutters, you've just got the floating heads, then your cutters are actually built into the cassette. Although you won't be able to see them, they are there. It makes changing very simple. Pop the new head on and away you go, and then again when you want to change it for the next time, it's just a matter of pulling it off, popping a new one on, job done. Again, thanks for watching. Bye bye.